Hello and welcome back, MEYLE friends. I am pleased to present another highlight from our truck team. In this case, we are talking about our MEYLE Original Kit for V-ribbed belt components. If you have to change the belt, pulley or belt tensioner, you must change all belt components immediately in order to avoid that you have to disassemble the belt components again at a later time or when the service interval requires. So now the fun begins. Which belt with which pulley and which belt tensioner do I need? Do I need another screw which has to be replaced when the components are changed according to the manufacturer's instructions? And most importantly, who can deliver the different components? Now it's time for us. With our MEYLE Original Kit, we have already done this job for you for typical applications, and all the necessary components are in one box. Just open and go ahead. With our MEYLE Kit, you not only save time and money, you also protect your nerves because you do not have to search any further parts. You are also on the safe side with our MEYLE quality because pulleys and belt tensioners are designed for high loads and manufactured according to our strict and high specifications. Among other things, our pulleys are made of steel, and unlike the plastic equivalents, steel ensures an optimum heat dissipation, enabling the part to remain stable even at high temperature loads. Thereby, the inner components, that means the grease or the balls inside the bearing, are protected from premature wear. Have a good trip and see you next time.